Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change fonts in Widgetable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Widgetable application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, register if you already hadn't done that. But guys, now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So down here we have three tabs. We have the Explore tab, the Wallpaper tab, and the More tab. But now guys, let's see how we can actually go and change fonts in Widgetable. So basically what you need to do is go and, for instance, let's go to Wallpapers, so which is in the middle of the screen. As you can see, we have the wallpaper. And here you need to go and find the wallpaper that you would like. So the featured wallpapers. You can go and click on one of these. So here, let's say click on this one. And we have three options, as you can see. We have the photos, text, and background. What you need to click on is the text, which is the third and the middle option. Here we have text, color, and fonts, where you can go and change your fonts. So basically you can go through all of these fonts here, find the one that you would like. Then after that, all you need to do is go and click on the top right corner, which is the save button, save it, and that's what you need to do. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.